Hi viewer, today I would like to show you all how to display the headphone audio level in real time on iPhone iOS 14. Let's have a look. First, connect your Airpods or other compatible headphones to your iPhone. My Airpods Pro connected with my iPhone. Now tap Settings. From Settings, scroll down a little bit and tap Control Center. From More Controls, tap green plus button beside Hearing. Make sure Hearing included in Controls. Now go back to home screen and play any song. To check headphone audio level, open Control Center. Just slide down from top right. This is Control Center. Tap or long press on Hearing icon. Headphone level OK, and it's showing green mark 70 dB, it's decibel. Now if you increase volume and check hearing, it's showing loud and OK. If you increase sound again, now showing headphone level loud. So from this control center you can check the headphone audio level in real time in iPhone iOS 14. Hope this video helped you. Please subscribe my channel by tap subscribe button. Also tap the bell icon to receive notifications about all new videos.